anything exciting? Just rated my camera equipment.
See that? It's a nice one. See if we can get this thing on here welded right.
Don't mind them, these guys are on break. Let's see what's going on in here. What's that, the third coat now?
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm gonna show you how to clean up all the adhesive. After you uncover an airplane, you always run into the glue they used. In this case, they put a bunch of polybrush and polytack on the tube. If you just use a little bit of MEK, you might spend all day trying to remove it, especially in the areas where it's really thick. So I just put the rag on there, soak the rag with MEK. If you can't get MEK, you can use acetone. Acetone will also do the job. So after it's soaked, then you can see it just comes right off, just like that. But the trick is soak the rag, let it sit for a few seconds, and then makes it easy. 1 million views right there, Maestro.
That's all you need.
Now we can part.
After I get... You said what?
Nothing.
After I get famous and make a lot of money, I quit Polyfiber. Maybe I won't quit. I'll just buy Polyfiber and do it for fun.
Just do it for fun.